just with anything. Oh no, is that a lifting lash? We will not be having that on my channel. Amber Scholl, what's good? So, I went and picked up your makeup. And yes, it's the bomb. So what's good, sis? What's next in the line? We ready? We ready? We ready? We ready? We ready? This was very, very good. Affordable makeup. Amber Scholl did that. Okay? What's good, sis? I know what's good. You about this makeup life. Let me find out, girl. Yes. Anyway, so you want to see me swatch a few of these colors and apply it to my lid all beautifully like I did. Stay tuned. And of course, that amber glow though. Yes, honey. You ready? You ready? All right. Stay tuned. Hi, all you beautiful people. It's KimmyBoutiki. Welcome to my channel. What's up? What's up? How you doing? So today I'm here to talk to my girl Amber Scholl. What's good, sis? So you went and started a makeup line? But I wanted to see what this was all about because she's all about the glitz and the glam. I love everything sparkly. Amber Scholl's makeup seems like it was definitely down my alley. So that is the highlight palette, guys. And these are the eyeshadows. There's only 3 mattes in here and everything is shimmer. It has a lovely mirror here. Looks pretty decent. Can't complain about the mirror. She came out with glosses as well. These glosses are super sparkly, so they like toppers. Of course, you can wear this alone, like clear gloss, moisturize your lips, and add a little glitter on a regular day. Oh, by the way, her products. Very affordable, ma'am. I appreciate that. Thank you very much, Amber. The palette by itself was only $22, but I bought the Hunt Collection Avi. It was like $65 with free shipping from Hush.com. Is it? No, Shop Hush. I don't know. Hush. It's an app. You can download it. It feels very weighty. Like it feels like actually kind of luxurious. Let me just show you a few swatches here. New Money, 401k next to it. Payday looks super glittery. Self-made. And let's look up close at that. I can't complain about that. I'm a little concerned about glitter fallout, but other than that, nothing we can't, battle. We gonna be good. And while I'm using new makeup by Amber Scholl, I am going to go ahead and use my Jaclyn Hill brush collection. This was 20% off, so our girl saved hella money because we all about that. First of all, I really just wanted the box because hello, it's a glittery makeup storage box. It's a nice hard case, you know what I'm saying? You know that new plastic smell? So we are full. Ooh, it's kind of nice having like fresh new brushes, you know what I'm saying? The only reason I got the Jaclyn Hill collection was not really because of Jaclyn Hill, even though she slays her makeup all day, every day. I got it because aesthetics, sue me. A lot of them the same brushes they already sell, but hello, like the aesthetic, the white and the silver. Had to have it. So let me put on my base. We'll see what her products are all about. Let me zoom you guys in for the rest of the face. Ooh, we close. Hey, buy me dinner first though. JH03, which is a foundation buffing brush. So I'll just use that to buff in my Fenty. Ooh, my bottle is cold. It's cold in my bedroom. Those brushes won't be white for long. But you already know, girl. My Hourglass translucent powder, the JH07. Then I'm gonna take this Big Zaddy fluffer brush, the 01, and just lightly set the whole face. And I'm going to go with my tried and true Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in the color Saddle. She has this bronzer brush, the JH02, and just, snatch those cheeks. Yes, a little color never hurt nobody. This came in a boxy shot. It's a pure face palette. It's called the Midnight Masquerade. It has all these beautiful colors. This floppy blush. This floppy brush is supposed to be really good for adding in your blush. This is the JH04 with that, and just ooh, JH09, and this is supposed to be a highlight brush. So let's go in with this highlighter. I don't know if I see anything. I forgot to be using Amber Scholl highlighter, but we gonna layer it. I'm sorry, Amber, I'm not even doing your review right or whatever. This gave a little something. This is a little bit more natural glow or whatever, but I think the Amber is gonna be mind-blowing because she like a glow, baby. I'm gonna go in with PJ, which stands for Private Jet. I'm gonna just use the same brush because, oh, it just picked up a whole lot of products, so I know this is about to be good. Oh, see, I can literally see it in the mirror. The other one, I could not even see what I was doing. Ooh, Amber, what we talking about though? Ooh, girl, what we talking about? Girl, let's take it down a nose. Blinding. Amber, you did that, girl. You did that. Ooh, let me put that little extra up under here. I didn't even do my brows yet, but the highlight is there though. Let's take Penniless. It's a little bit more peachy. And let's do right here. Ooh, yes. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. JH10, just to put a little powder so the eyeshadow doesn't go everywhere. This is like the biggest blending brush, so I'm gonna go in with All Natural. That is the only brown in the palette. And I'm just going to, oh, that is pigment. Like, pigment. And if you know Amber Scholl, she's a pretty simple gal, which I really like about her. It makes sense that she will only have like 3 matte shadows. She pretty much wears the same makeup every video. You wouldn't expect any like crazy makeup from her, you know what I'm saying? Blend till your fingers hurt, girl. The JH15, I'm gonna use this to pack on the black. Did here over? This is kind of scary how pigmented it is. This eyeshadow just got very dramatic really quickly. This is the JH41. I'm going to use this flat brush to pack on the color. New Money. I just feel like it's gonna be a nice transition from the black to the rest of the colors. And I'm just gonna, oh, yes, girl, yes. Ooh, 24 karat. Let's see. Oh, girl. Yes. Oh. Do you guys see the blend? Ooh, girl. Finish off with the color next to it. This one called Bankroll. Oh. Oh, so good. My eyes is lit. Okay, you can't tell your girl nothing. JH42 to get those inner corner flappies. I'm going to take Filthy. Oh. Bitch, do you see that? Do you see that? I'm looking in the monitor like, who you though, girl? Who that? JH37 brush, and we're going to go back in with All Natural. Can you see what I'm doing? All Natural. And we're just going to buff that in here. JH31, and I'm just gonna, feel like I just need to like really, I want to really blow it out under here. I'm gonna take this flat definer brush with that black shade. Ooh, be easy now, be easy, and just press it. Look at that. Wow, that definitely made a wing, and I wasn't even trying to do that. Since this color Filthy is filthy ridiculous, I'm going to take a little bit of this. I wiped the brush off as much as I could, and I'm actually going to put a little bit right there. Oh, fancy today. We're gonna be fancy today. I'm doing the most. I'm doing the most. I know. I know. I got these lashes. These Lollipop lashes are like $1 from Juno & Co. And I'm going to pop these on, and I'll be right back. Mary Kay mascara. We have liftoff. Am I flying yet? I'm going to go in with Daddy. This is like a rose gold lip gloss. I'm just going to put it on by itself, and let's see how it looks. Ooh, this is hella glittery. Wow, it's shiny. Ooh, what we talking about? I really just want to put some color on my lips, just because I'm in the mood. You know what I'm saying? When you in the mood, you in the mood. I'm going to put on this Tarteist lip paint, and this is in the color Front Row. I'm going to go back over with the Daddy lip gloss. I do feel the glitter in this. I don't know if you guys are gonna like that. It's not hard. but if you press your lips, you will feel like, yeah, there's definitely glitter in there, but it's not hard, if that makes sense. It's not uncomfortable, or it's not like, oh, chunks. Very, very finely melted glitter. So, I mean, that highlight, it is quite blinding, yes. So this is the look with the Amber Scholl Cosmetics line. It's called AS Cosmetics. Super affordable from the Hush app. Free shipping. Definitely worth the money. It's only $22 for the palette, $22 for the highlighter palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. As you can see, the shimmers in here are giving me so much life. The mattes, there are only 3 of them, but they're hella pigmented, so be careful. If you love shimmers and you're very simple like Amber, you will really love this palette. That one outstanding color, Filthy, is the star of the palette. I mean, it is, that inner corner is glowing to the gods. Like, you cannot even deny. There was a little bit of fallout, but other than that, can't be mad at it. Anyway, definitely recommend this collection. The glosses, I really, really like them. I don't know if I love them. For the price, definitely doable. And if you like glitter, there's a lot of glitter in these glosses. This is a really awesome set, especially, you know, if you don't have every brush. If you need a lot of blending brushes, get that. And the face brushes were nice and soft. And aesthetics, hello, like they're white and silver, and this case is amazing. It's a nice hard case, so you can't go wrong. So yeah, get your hands on this case. I got it for 20% off. Don't pay full price for anything, guys. Yeah, guys, so it's always good seeing you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe so you can see me in a future video. Why not? Ooh, pat that weave. Ooh, cha. This face is beat though. Yes, honey, yes. So if you want to go ahead and watch a couple more videos, that would be great too. Spend a little bit more time with your girl, you know what I'm saying? Like, why not? Like, hello. Mwah. Love you.